going on, my YouTube friends? Man, I hope you guys are having a wonderful morning. Well, I'm taking the Mach 1 to get the front splitter put on and the wheel lip moldings. I know I didn't have them put on when I first got the car. It's because I didn't have the front splitter, so I figured I'd do it all at one time. The rear gurney flap, they say not to put that on unless you're using it on the track. So I won't be using the car on the track, so it may never see that flap. I don't know. We'll see, you know, in due time. But yes, we are on our way to Taylor Ford to get this put on. Yeah, buddy. So I'll bring you back once we get everything put on, and yeah, because I doubt they'll let me out in their shop and let me film it. But, you know, I can always ask, right? All right, I'll bring you guys back. Good morning. This is the day after I had the front splitter and the molding and everything put on the front of the Mach 1. So I'm just taking a small video right here to show you what it looks like. I think it looks pretty cool, man. I'm kind of geeked, you know. I didn't have them put the gurney flap on because they say they only use that for track use only, and it's fine with me. But anyhow, let's turn this around and see what we got. Yeah, so as you see here, got the wheel trim on. You know, I got the splitters and the front splitter, and they got it in. I'm like, well, let me take it up there, let them put it on there. They didn't charge me nothing. They did it. And plus I got a little other things that I bought when I was up there at the dealership. You know, I got problems, guys. But anyhow, that's the front splitter. So we got it on there. I got a couple pictures I'll slap on the end of this video. But I like it. I like it. Just gonna have to watch when I one of the parking blocks and stuff, you know, right? That's the other side with the molding on there for the wheel lip. But, I know it's kind of hard to see in here in the garage, but they give you a good enough idea what's going on here. And so I got things going on this morning. I got car trailer hooked up. Yeah, I put new tires on it back about a month ago. Yeah, it needed them. These tires are actually dry rotted. Well, some of them were, not all of them, but I'm keeping them for spares and stuff. And I got a spare on this one, and I got a spare for the ATV trailer that I carry my lawnmower and stuff on to cut my dad's grass. So we're gonna be picking up some cars, so there'll be a new video for Lee's Auto Parts and that coming out, and I'm sure I'll post it on here too. So, all right, guys, let me get to work, and I'll bring you back. Nope, I'm gonna end this video. So this is the video for the front splitter and what I'm gonna be doing today, and I'll make another separate video for the cars I'm picking up. All right, guys, thanks for watching. You turn this around. All righty then. So yeah, we got the splitter on and stuff like that. I'm pretty happy. I think it looks good. You know, like I said, we didn't put the gurney flap on because they say that's for track use only. I'm not gonna be going to the track. At least I don't think so, you know. I mean, I ain't never driven one of those tracks. I'll probably run the car in the wall or something. We don't wanna do that, no. But anyhow, guys, you have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. I don't care what anybody says. If anybody tells you you're not awesome, you tell them come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome. Have a great day, and hey, thanks for watching.